Everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm the Robotic Nomad, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today is a no bullshit video about how to change your gear / transmission oil on a 50cc moped. So let's get right into it. So I moved inside because it was too cold outside and the wind was blowing very hard. But this is the drainage plug, and we're going to unscrew it. So now that the bolt is off, let it drain, and then refill. So now that we got the fill screw off, let's use our oil. On this bike is recommended GL4, but I could not find GL4. So I hope this is the equivalent, which is AW90. So let's see how it works out. So take your bottle's tip, cut off the top tip, and squeeze. As you see, that's where the liquid's pouring out. And as soon as this is done pouring out, you see a little excess come out, like in a stream. That's how you know it's full, but obviously right now it's not. So after you're done, tighten the bolt back up, clean up the mess, and if you get the right oil, your crank won't break. And if you do, you'll be okay. I gotta clean my air filter out. This is just after I did the gear oil. So basically you gotta take off these screws, unclamp the hose, then take out this air filter and just clean it. After like the third time you clean this, you're supposed to actually change this. This is actually very cheap online. I think it's like 20 bucks and comes with the whole suck-up that goes into the carb. So let's do it. So this is the filter that was inside. So I just took the filter out. Now I see what looks like to be gas or oil. And that's coming from the carb. And it's also in here as well. Doesn't smell like gas. Ugh. But the filter seems to be discolored, obviously, but it's pretty clean for the most part, except for the gas residue in there. I don't know why that's in there. Well, time to put it back together. After you're done cleaning the air filter, just put the screws back in. Make sure you tighten this up. Then you're done. So now that I'm done, I'm going to clean her up as she is dirty from the res, and I'm going to take her for a ride, and hopefully everything works out. So the bike's running great. Everything went well. It was a little hesitant at first, but that's alright. I drove it for like 3-4 miles. I'm at 1,960 miles already. That's pretty crazy. I am going to ride this through the winter. Just love this thing so much. Anyways, if you guys like this video, the straightforward video, no bullshit, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This was so simple, so easy. This would have cost me with oil and gear oil over $90 for the guys to do it. And it only cost me in tools right around 20 bucks. And in the product alone, it cost me an extra 10, so $30. So I saved 60 bucks doing everything myself. That's just a ridiculous amount of savings. And again, if you break something on one of these, it's not a big deal. They're on Amazon, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, and now that gas is creeping up again. These are going to be, a lot of people are going to be riding them. So my opinion, get them right before the winter or right in the winter. They're going to be mad cheap, and that's what I'm going to be doing for a motorcycle, is picking up in the winter. So again, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Now I'll definitely be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.